So first of all, I will discuss very important topic. First of all, any YouTube channel, any views will be very less. Any YouTube channel, views will be very less. To find out any video, to promote and view and earnings. To promote, view and earnings. Just copy. I'll select the notepad. Major any YouTube channel promotion depend on video title and description. Second thing will be playlist to add minimum 5 to 6 keywords. List minimum adding 5 to 6 keyword. Finish end screen and cards, and which video get more views, which video get more views on your channel, to add new video as a end screen, to add a end screen. Next thing, the video will market on different keywords on YouTube community tab, YouTube community tab. And final is a very important thing, to generate automatic backlinks and manual backlinks. Automated and manual backlinks. I'll show one by one. Select video. I can refresh. I'm selecting one video here. So this video will be going for any 8 views or 9 views, or you can show by the videos. There is a 8. Now click for edit. Careful to watch. They are also promoting for how to create Google Maps, Google Ads without website 2019. Same will be, can copy this title. So coming to description. First thing very important, to add on your complete hashtags. That is called. So what is these things? Google Ads. So you can using for here. Now click for Google AdWords Express. AdWords Express. Then next thing, go to YouTube channel. Select this the things. So this will be all done. How to create Google AdWords Express ad without website. Select it for the playlist. Select on your playlist here. Done. Now, what is your channel playlist? Same as you add the playlist option. Next. remove this without website and copy, add your playlist option. 1, 2, 3. I'm adding for 3 keep, and now I'm adding for these things. Now click for save changes. Now we can finish for end screen and cards. This already will be finished on your option will be check. Final thing, go to subtitle and CC. Already they finished by subtitle and CC here. There will be total language translated. It will be done. Next, we'll create by manual and automatic backlinks. Manual and automatic backlinks. Save changing. So I'll show by manual and automatic. First I'll show by automatic backlinks. The one of the best tool is called nimtool.com. Which one? nimtool.com. Select the URL. Copy this option. You go to nimtool. Select the URL. Get the, there is a thumbnail here. We'll go for YouTube backlinker. Copy link. I'm not a robot. And click for submit. Is it clear? Is it showing for total backlinks? So coming to manual backlinks, anything, go to your site, particular one to say website, will submit our YouTube URL by manually to generate your backlinks. Select, copy the YouTube URL, paste, click for save. Here is it done. Now click for refresh. Is it clear? This is one of the tool they are using by the manual backlinks. Same like you can submit by n number of website using this manual and automatic backlinks. And very important thing is called in your option by using which video getting views to add the video on the end screen. So now go to analytics. The latest of the video, which is a more views. Stay on class. Video. Open this video. So nothing we can do it. Only simple thing is that the video below option is called edit. The video below option is called edit. See this. Edit. To add your this video end screen, add your latest video. Which video will go for more views. These are the very important key role play on your particular site. Scroll down for that end screen. In this case, how many videos are accepting? Total 4. In this, you can add by one video on your end screen option. That is your latest video. Add element, create, choose your playlist, adding for one video. I have to add the video for this one. And second thing, add your subscribe button, click for save. These are the important rules. And next thing, and last and final thing, when finish your video monetization, when finish your video monetization, go to channel, go to channel, click for community, select your particular video, another title, the video, another title, the title will be, you can copy here, copy, paste, go to community. First is showing for total 3 option. Add the video, select your video, which video I'm promoting for, select this, copy this. Is it clear? These all will be final things on your option. These are the major point, particular video promotion and views. And more views will be needed. The video required more than 10 minutes. If increase more revenue, the video require more than 10 minutes. That is called they support by manual ads. They support by the manual ads. So this is called increase your views and earnings on particular channel. Is it clear? It's very important to increase your views and earnings.